Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn physics numericals for NEET and JEE on ray optics. Let's start this animation figure. This animation figure shows convex lens and this is a principal axis, poles of two curvatures, C1, C2 radius of curvature, then object O light falls on the first surface, form a image that will be act as a virtual image for the second lens, and through second lens when it get refracted you will get final images here. This already I taught you, so final in the previous videos you can just check it. The formulas we are going to use in the formula, this formula we are going to use it for NEET question and JEE question. It will come objective type as well as the short answer type questions in for secondary section. You can check it here. The details are given here on the diagram. One is R1 radius of curvature of first one, and R2 radius of curvature of second one. Then U is object distance and V is image distance. It is clearly explained in the previous diagram. And here is this is the lens maker formula. Using this formula, we are going to do one problem now. Let's start that problem part 2, which I just taught part 2 of this question. So the formula is very clear. 1 by F is equal to class 12 and also JEE entrance, NEET entrance in the part of objective type. A radius of curvature of F. The faces of double convex lenses are 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So two faces are here. First face will be R1, that will be plus 10. Second face will be this one, concave, this side. So the radius of curvature will be R2. Then its focal length is 12 centimeters. What is the refractive index? So it is a direct question itself. Let's start this by using lens maker equation. Lens maker equation says that 1 by F is equal to 1 by F is equal to n minus 1 is the refractive index, bracket 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, right, which is given here. 1 by F means 1 by 12. Since it is a convex, double convex, so focal length will be right side. Then n is we are supposed to point minus 1. Then 1 by R1 is a positive, that will be given as 10, minus 1 by R2, that will be the left side, it will be minus 15, right? Then start here, 1 by 12 is equal to n minus 1, bracket, let's it will be here minus of minus plus, so you will get here LCM becomes here 30, so this will become 3 and plus 2, because minus of minus plus plus, then it will be 2. So you will get here this is equal to what? N minus 1 again, right, in bracket 5 by 30. So 5 by 5, 1 by 6. So it will become 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means what you will get here? Finally, minus 1 by 1 6. So 6 will go that side. So it will become n minus 1 equal to 6 divided by 12. So that will become 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 then again, what do you want actually? N. So minus 1 should go the other side. So transposing it. So N is equal to 0.5 plus 1. That will be equal to 1.5. This is the answer for the second bit. So first bit and second bit both I have explained. Just go through. If the content is good, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.